Describing yourself in English, Part 2. I was born in London. I am British. I live with my mother, my father, and my 2 younger siblings. I enjoy living in London because it has nice parks. However, it can be very busy. I love science. In September, I am going to university to study chemistry. In the future, I want to be a chemistry teacher. Now it is your turn. Where were you born? What is your nationality? Here are some examples. There is the country and the nationalities. For example, I was born in Indonesia. I am Indonesian. I was born in Iran. I am Iranian. I was born in India. I am Indian. Who do you live with? Here are some examples. Do you live with your siblings, your brother or your sister, your parents, your mother and your father, your auntie or your uncle, your grandparents, your grandmother or your grandfather? What do you enjoy studying? Here are some examples: English language, medicine, drama, mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics. Thank you for watching. Tell me about yourself in the comments section.